Hello and welcome to the vlog. Today I'm working on starting work on updating the design of our product site, svertual.im. Currently, it's just a list of links to blog posts that I made over the months. But as we get closer to launching our product, I think we are now reaching the stage where we can actually start updating the site to show our visitors the product and the services that we are offering. And so, as a first step, I thought we design the homepage with a call to action that informs visitors about how the site works. Um, a couple of things. The design, I'm using a slightly new design. This new design tool for this project. Traditionally, I've always used Adobe Illustrator for my mock-ups and design work. Um, I like it. It's very powerful. It gives me a lot of flexibility, and the later versions of Illustrator allow me to control the pixel level adjustments. But the process is very slow. It's very complex and it takes a long time. The workflow was not efficient. There are two possible replacements for Adobe Illustrator that I looked at. One was Sketch and the other was XD. I went with Adobe XD because we already have an Adobe CC subscription, and it made no sense to buy another subscription for Sketch. Although Sketch, I think, was actually the better tool. But given that my design is going to be really Spartan and very lightweight, it wasn't hard to do this sort of uh, design even in XD. Not a big deal at all, as you will see. The second issue was, okay, what was the message, the call to action going to be on the homepage, and what should the call to action button actually involve? And there are two questions. So the first, the messaging was as to what feature of our product should we highlight, and talking to potential customers and people who we've been working with, it became obvious that although DevOps services were what we were actually offering, what really resonated with customers was the ability to move their applications from one public cloud to the other. And so, in the end, instead of offering DevOps services, we just said the message I've gone with is move your app from one public cloud to the other. And that's the message I'm going with. We'll see how that performs, and we'll modify it as it goes. The next thing was the actual call to action button. For now, I've chosen contact us, mostly because we're not. Ideally, I would have liked it to be a trial, so people click and they get to try out the product. But we are not quite there yet. But as we get closer, we'll replace the call to action with a trial. And so for now, it's just simply a contact us button that allows people to follow us and let us know what they need. We'll see how that works in the short term. So this is a short term thing. We'll replace it. And so that's the update for today. Essentially, the rest of this week we'll be building out the site and various aspects of it, and we'll launch it over the course of the coming weekend. So talk to you tomorrow.